In this video, we are going to see how we can easily find the sound ID on Roblox. So whether you want to copy a song ID, music ID, or anything like that, here's how you can easily find it. First of all, just head over to roblox.com from your browser. And once you do that, you simply sign in with your ID and we click on create on the top. So this will take you to the creator hub. Over here on the left hand side, you will find store. You click on that, and under here you will see different categories or different tabs here. So we click on audio on the right hand side. So we can find any audio we want, or we have different sound effects, vibes, and all other things. Also, we can apply different filters to it if we want to find any specific creator, Roblox ID or sound, whatever. You can also select the duration on how long you want it. Is it a music effect or sound effect or whatever? So for example, this one is the audio we want. Now to get the ID, you just click on the drop down next to it. Once you click it, you click on more info after that. And from here, it will not be written anywhere here. Most probably, you can just copy a link or copy asset ID. Also, you can find it next to the asset. Here is a number that you can copy and use it anywhere, but I'm not just copying it because just I want to compare it. If we don't pick it up from the URL, still we get it from here. You click on this, click on copy asset ID, and we paste it here. This is exactly the same number that we get in the URL. And these IDs are used to paste it in the gameplay to use that sound for your team or for your team play. Also, you can use it in your studio or whatever, wherever this is applicable to be applied. You use basically this ID to apply that music into the gameplay. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.